Hello there, my name is Corey Pitzer. I'm the CEO of SAFEmap. I want to just quickly introduce you to Prisma safety culture. Culture is no monkey business. And the reason I use this title is safety culture analysis is a very advanced method. It's a very advanced concept. And yet it seems like everybody is doing it with the most basic instruments and basic methodology. And we're getting a lot of garbage data and we're making decisions on those. The SAFEmap Prisma has been in development for many, many years, over 30 years. And we have conducted surveys globally, whole industries and corporations. Now, we're going to make this much more accessible. I'm going to show you and introduce you to this amazing tool. I'll be showing you the SAFEmap model and the strategic indicators that we're using. And as I said, many years in development. We have a huge database that you can compare your surveys with and give you an idea of where your shortfalls and gaps are and your strengths. We will show you the analysis and metrics. Now, the metrics that we've developed is very comprehensive, and it's got to do with our name Prisma. So the metrics are very much psychological readiness index. I'll tell you a little bit about that in a moment. But we measure how strong the culture in the organization is, how mature it is, and very importantly, how aligned it is. The psychological readiness index is based on the work of Amy Edmondson, well-known concept of psychological safety. We've redefined that to psychological readiness. Then I'll show you, very importantly, the methodology and psychometrics associated with surveys. Most surveys, if not all surveys, are using some sort of a questionnaire. When you use a questionnaire to measure people's opinions, you're not getting a cultural analysis. You're getting opinions, you're getting perceptions. And most of the time, the information you get can at best be classified as what we call safety climate, the visible things in the organization. It does not give you an insight in the invisible, powerful forces in the organization, which drives behavior, which we call safety culture. Now, Daniel Kahneman has made a great distinction between thinking fast and slow. Thinking slow, deliberate, that is how people comply. That is how people react to rules and regulations, and that gives you the basic measurement of climate. But what drives risk-taking in the organization is the culture, and no instrument measures that. And you'll see on why I make this claim, and I'll show you the instruments that SAFEmap has developed and what we use. So, join me on a discussion on Prisma safety culture. This is an instrument that can change everything in your business. Talk to you then.